Hey, I'm back in this room again, which means we are launching another exciting feature called Sona. Sona is OpenPhone's voice AI agent that is going to take your customer calls when your team is busy or, I don't know, when they're not working on a weekend. Now, I know you're probably skeptical of AI and you're wondering if you can actually have your customers be handled by an AI agent, but let me tell you something. We waited until now to launch Sona because we wanted to make sure that it's going to work perfectly for you out there in real life. But for me to prove it, I just have to show it to you. So why don't we go out and give it a shot? All right, Bella, let's go. All right, we are out here. We have cars, we have buses. It's windy out here, so it's gonna be a real test. Now, I wanna schedule a grooming session for Bella. And her groomers don't use Sona because we haven't launched yet. But if they did, it would go something like this.
Hi there. Thanks for calling Metropolitan Grooming. I'm Sona, a virtual dog grooming assistant. What can I help you with today?
Hey, Sona, I wanna book a grooming session for my dog.
Great. I can gather all the details we need to schedule it and verify with you later. Sound good?
Sure, yeah, let's do it.
When would you like to schedule your appointment?
Anytime today or tomorrow would be perfect.
And what's your dog's name and size? Are they a small, medium, or large breed?
Her name is Bella and she's a medium.
Which of our services would you like to use? We offer baths, haircuts, nail trimming, de-setting, and teeth cleaning.
Let's go for all of it. Why not?
Got it. Let me repeat that back to you. You would like to schedule Bella, who's a medium-sized dog, for any time today or tomorrow, for a bath, haircut, nail trim, de-setting, and teeth cleaning. Does that sound right?
Yeah, you got it.
Perfect. We'll use this information to
Actually,
schedule
I
your
have a
appointment.
question. Do you know how much it's gonna cost, all the services combined?
It'll be $100.
Okay, that's pretty cheap. Well, thank you so much. See, that went really well. Instead of hitting voicemail or waiting on the line for 10 minutes, I got the information to the groomers and they're gonna get back to me when they're not busy anymore. I had a great calling experience and the groomers are gonna see this here. They're gonna see everything I just said over the phone packaged up in a nice view inside OpenPhone's workspace. When your customers go to voicemail, you've already lost them. What if you never lost a call or a customer again? Try Sona to find out. Okay, Bella, let's go. You're not getting groomed, don't worry. Come on. Come on.